Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today the project we are going to do is buzzer security system. I'll show the complete circuit and the code also will be given in the description. You can check it out. Also I'll give the circuit, okay? So let's get straight in the point. So we need Arduino Uno board, USB cable for that, breadboard, ultrasonic sensor, buzzer, or it's also known as piezo. You can see this, but I call it buzzer. 6 male to male jumper wires. Okay, let's start the project. So take your breadboard and take your HC-SR04 ultrasonic sensor. So you can see this. So I'll explain this. What it does this you can see this T. This is transmitter, okay, and R, which is receiver. So what it does it senses the object by the sound, okay, which we can't hear, which we humans can't hear, okay. This receives the signal, sends to the Arduino, and this transmit that some object is nearby there, which is blocking its way, okay. So this is how HC-SR04 works. Okay, now let's move to the project. Connect it anywhere on the breadboard. I'll connect it here, okay. So take a jumper wire. You can see here there is ground pin, okay, GND pin. Connect it there. And now connect it to the ground pin in the Arduino, okay. You can see the ground pin here. So okay guys, let's speed up the process. I'll give the circuit in the description. You can go and check it out. So guys, now setup is complete. So now let's move straight to the code. So I want to plug in my USB cable and connect it to the laptop, okay. Okay, wait. So the problem was I had already uploaded the code. Okay, I'll reset it. So okay, I have plugged in. So okay, let's go to the code. So I have given the code in the description. You can check it out. So here you can make change, okay, in centimeter, okay. If you want it to be within 20, you can write 20, or else you can change to 50, 40, example like that, okay. If you, for example, I give it in 10 centimeter and I'll upload the code. That you can change, okay, it's your wish. So you can see here I have taken the scale for easy measurement. So you can see when I bring my hand at 10, it senses. You can see this. If I bring my hand, you can see any object will work, okay. If I want it to be 5 centimeter, I'll upload the code here. So I have uploaded the code. It only senses when it is at 5 centimeter. You can see this. Or suppose I want it at 30. I'll change it here, 30. Upload the code. So you can see it is 30 here. When I bring any object, you can see this. I hope you like this project. Like and subscribe for more such content. Bye.